probably just like everyone else, I was scrolling through Facebook, and this beautiful, adorable, cute little blonde was jumping on a trampoline. And at first it was just like, what the heck? You know, she's jumping up and down. And then she was holding up her signs, you know, and I thought, okay, and I kept scrolling. I went on past it. And then I saw another post a little while down the line, and Kaelin was doing something else and just talking about you can lose weight and not give up pizza and you know, cake and stuff. And I'm like going, oh, wait a minute, because I had done the diet, yo-yo, roller coaster. I mean, I've done them all. I've done, you know, okay to name them. And I've done like, you know, Weight Watchers, Nutrisystems. I used to do diet pills. I mean, and you'd lose the 20 pounds, and then I'd gain 30 back, and you know, and I got really large, and I just thought, you know what? I did not even do the 7-day free trial, because when I do something, I do it 100%. And I thought I joined. When I joined, I became a lifer. I just did everything because I knew if I made that commitment that it would be, number one, when you're vested in something, that financial investment, in my mind, being a businesswoman, I'm going to take it a little more seriously than a free trial for me. And I did. So, I mean, I can keep going because I started in August of 2018.
So just over a year. So when you, before you started LadyBoss, what were your big struggles? What was kind of holding you back from getting healthy and losing the weight?
I did not make any time for any kind of physical activity because I'm a workaholic. So, and I'm much better now. But I never did any physical activity. I eat at my desk, so it'd be like I didn't prepare for meals. Coworkers would be like, oh, we're going to McDonald's or wherever, and I'm, okay, bring it back. So my eating was crud, no activity, and the weight just was coming on. And I'm 5'4", and yeah, I got up there a little bit.
So you signed up for LadyBoss. You decided to go all in. You bought the lifetime membership. So then did you start right away? Because I've also talked to people who were like, they bought it and then they didn't do it right away. So what was your tipping point? What got you going?
Okay, so I did the purchase, did all that in August. And then I sort of just, I would do shakes every now and then, not a whole lot. I didn't really start any kind of exercise yet. And I sort of scoped the community page, just sort of stalked it a little bit, just to see, you know, is this really valid? And I just started looking at testimonies, looking at the ladies, what they were saying. That was August, probably November or so, because, you know, I have the trainer, so I started doing ABH in my basement. I was just videoing them, and just because I wanted to see my progress, you know, did I get better? And I was videoing the ABHs and doing good, and it was, I tell you what, wearing me out. I mean, I couldn't do one push-up. There was a lot of things. It was a very slow process. And then I got through the holidays. I still wasn't eating the way I should at that time. And the first of the year came around, and I was just like, you know, I need to do it. I mean, I knew my why, and I thought, I have to get my butt in gear and do this because I made this commitment to myself, and my grandbabies are my why. And January I started. I was meal prepping. I did the shakes, still did ABH at home. I started becoming accountable to the community. I would do my lives. And then in March, I left the comfort of my basement and I joined the gym. Scared to death when I walked in there. You know, I'm like when they're thinking there's this old lady walking in here, and that's all mindset. I don't feel like that now.
And you know, honestly, they weren't thinking that either.
Yeah,
no one was thinking.
No one was, because my gym's phenomenal. I mean, it really is. But I walked in, I was thinking like, oh my God. I mean, I knew a treadmill, I knew that kind of stuff. And then luckily I had all those little video clips of Kaelin showing, well, here's how you do this, here's how you do this. And so I put together a plan for me, okay? My goal initially, I'm going to hit the gym 3 days a week. But I'm one of these, I have to give it 100%. If I don't, I would start something and not finish it. So I ended up I was going more than 3 times a week. I don't think I ever did 3. It was 5 times at least 5 times a week I was going. And I would exercise, and then I'd do the treadmill, and then all of a sudden I just started feeling different. My clothes were fitting different. I was never in it to get skinny, if that makes sense. I just wanted to, I want to be around, be healthy. I mean, you know, I have a 2-year-old grandson and an 8-month-old granddaughter now, and I want to run and play with him when he says, Gigi, come on, let's run. And I can do it now. I can run with him. And it's I would do it all over again. I'd start sooner, though. I probably wouldn't have stalked the community so much. But I tell you, it was the best thing I ever did, and doing it for me. But I did feel a little guilty that I was taking this time for me. I felt like I was cheating my husband, because like I'd go on weekends too, because I never see him. But then all of a sudden I just started doing it, and I explained it to him, and he goes, I don't mind that you're going. And I had to let go of the guilt, because he wasn't begrudging me going at all. He was like thinking, you're doing it for you. And he goes, and you're looking good. I'm like going, okay, you know, and he'll say things, and just, I get affirmations from him, from my daughter. She's so supportive, and I just, you know, age is just a number. It's just a number, and I want to be an example to people. I feel better now than I did at 40. I can do more now than I could at 40. So I just, I love working out. It's sort of like addicted to it right now, though. Mm-hmm. So I only do it 5 times a week now, because I had to back off a little bit.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So what goals have you achieved as LadyBoss, and how did LadyBoss help you get there?
My goal was to lose 30 pounds. I've lost 40, and they've helped me learn how to meal prep, eat healthy, making sure I'm getting in my water. The weight loss, of course, is an extra benefit into it. I've gone down from like a size 14, 16. I can wear an 8, 10. But it's just my energy level and my confidence. I feel I can go anywhere, and I feel good about Sherry. And then I can go and just, you know, coming here, I was like, well, maybe I won't know anyone. I was just like, well, you know what? I'm going to get out there anyway. That's my confidence is just gone through the roof. And I think one of the biggest things is I love me again.
That's great.
You know?
So when did you decide, or when did you become an angel? What made that happen?
This round, actually, they pulled me out of the seminar yesterday because they had sent out angel announcements, and my AOL account has so many emails, I didn't get it. And yes, and because I post in the community, I sparkle all the time. I just want to represent and be a good ambassador for LadyBoss, and so they blessed me with this yesterday. So I'm just.
So you're a brand new angel.
I'm brand new. I'm in hog heaven too, because this is just. It just. The happiness from this is just. It's
great.
Yes.
So what's the lesson that you think other women need to hear about LadyBoss? What would you tell them?
It works. But you get out of it what you put into it. I mean, the thing that I really like too, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle, and it works around my schedule. I make it work for me, and if I mess up and do something wrong, I don't stop. I like going, you know what? This was just a bad day. Tomorrow's another day, and you know what? You can do it.
And so, what's your favorite part about being on LadyBoss?
The support of my sisters. They've encouraged me and just been there for me, and the good, the bad, the ugly. Just the support I get from that, I think helps. Even though I have it at home too, just having other women that are going through their own journey comes to me and just makes me feel amazing. And I can go to them too. I can just go to them. So.